Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I am a tad frustrated with this. I have done part 1 and I have done part 2, and part 3 is now. And there are my glasses, and I would like to tell you I like this. Yesterday after part 2 I added a few more strings, I added shadows in the purple, I added these dots in there of paint, and I blew into them, and I am not super pleased. So I am going to do whatever I feel like doing, which includes starting with some Anita's, yeah, maybe I should have checked to make sure it was coming out first, some Anita's metallic, and try and make, whoa, evidently there's water from somewhere, maybe from when I washed my hands recently, on the canvas. It needed something in the way of definition or just a difference. I shared a little tiny piece of it on Instagram and it was well received, but I wasn't the happiest with what happened after. Whoa, that is coming out so much too fast. Where is my container? You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and grab my Sharpie container that I use as a little scoop. And I am going to grab a piece of bamboo skewer. And if I make all of these similar, I probably won't like that either. But maybe I'll change my mind and change them up in a moment. This is an iridescent pink pearlescent iridescent. It's an iridescent from Art Minds, and it's gorgeous. So no matter what else, probably a section of this would be beautiful again, but I don't think it's hurting my feelings right now at all. I didn't get the points I expected on the bottom of my hearts yesterday, and the shadow didn't hurt that much, but it wasn't that helpful either. That's why I'm covering it up now. I don't mind that this purple and that darker neon purple from Folk Art kind of blend nicely. If it happens to be all purples, oh well, never mind. I'd like to put some gold in there, maybe on the other side of the hearts. It's a very impressionist batch of hearts anyway, so I'm not too worried about anything really. I just would like it to be something I like when I'm done with it, so I'm not done with it until that happens. I do expect miracles sometimes, and sometimes I get them and sometimes I don't. Part 3! It looks like I'm going to run out of paint. I'll put a little bit more in there, because putting it directly on the canvas just definitely added too much paint. I could put dots in there, but I'm not sure where. I know something will help. I'm just not sure what it is yet. I know it'll be shimmery and pretty and iridescent and sparkly. I thought about putting other little hearts behind, but I think they'd have to be black, and I don't think that would look very good. Maybe white. Maybe I should try the white. Ooh, somebody's upset. Sounds like a seagull, but we have peregrine falcons and hawks. It's funny, you know, you drive down the road and you just see one sitting on the wire 10 feet above your car, or when you're walking the dog or whatever. And you know what? I don't hate that. That's pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and add some turquoise color shift from Folk Art. Hit my hearts with a few dots, because they'll be shimmery too. I think pink is next. Let's do that right now. Actually, I've got a brighter color pink than this, but let's see how this looks first. Originally I thought if I just dragged the skewer through, I would make the typical little hearts that happen by happy accident when I'm creating other paintings. But you know what? I'm not minding what's happening here much at all. I think the white pearl, whoops, the white pearl might be nice, but I'm not minding those dots. I think some blue metallic might be next. Where do I have something I can rest this in? There we go. The butter dish rest. All right, blue metallic coming right up. And then who knows what I'll do with those afterwards. Not sure there was enough of that yet. It's going to turn out to be a combination of those colors. Just a funky pattern, which is okay with me. I like funky patterns, obviously. And if it doesn't behave right, we just make it adjust. Like so. I like that blue. I think I want some more. Where else do we need it? I want to thank you guys for joining me. This might be really quick. I kind of like the whole thing a whole lot more than I did when I started. It's nothing serious. Whoops, drip. This is seriously not serious. Pun intended. Or not. Anyway, so, other than this, which I can fix because it's dry, and maybe some gold. Do I want to put some gold in there? I like the white metallic pearl strands. I think they help push other things into the background by creating a foreground. That could be used right there. I got schmutz on there. Why do I want some red? I don't know. Red and purple are in fuchsia plants, and I often indulge my fuchsia plant indulgence. Still seems to be missing something, but I've got a few minutes to figure it out. Like a lot more than a few. You know what? Maybe we ought to just try the red for the heck of it. I think it's a red metallic anyway. It could zhuzh it up quite nicely. I know the orange would help. Oh, I found one that didn't have any. It'll probably look a lot better from a distance too. I never did do the gold, but I'm actually liking a lot of what I'm seeing now. I could have a little green gold. Would that help? I don't think so. I don't think so, but nothing's going to keep me from trying anything right at this point, so let's go ahead and take a chance. And then I'm going to do what I said I was going to do and put some orange in there. You know what? I don't mind the green. It's kind of fun. It makes your eye move around better inside. That was maybe not my worst idea. It's a very strange bunch of dots, but it's just a pattern, so it doesn't really matter. And they still kind of look like hearts, but I see what I want to do. Strange color scheme. Still like it. I think I better stop soon. I might not like it as much as I do right now. Yeah, not my favorite painting, but still some redeeming features. Let's see if the orange will help. I'm going to wipe off my skewer. Nothing's coming off of it. How is that possible? I guess it must be glop 30. Time to give up. I can't really swipe over because it's not wet anymore. I've got a bunch of movies. I just want to reach for the yellow. I feel like I lost my touch, but that's okay because I have 4 other fantastic paintings from today, and this is yesterday's karma, and it's not helping. And at this point, I'm just making colorful choices that are making me happy, and that might be the only way to make it work. Is just base it on happy colors. Yep, it doesn't have to make sense, and it doesn't. But that's okay. It could become something else. It doesn't need to, though. I'm just going to use up the paint I've got. I hope it doesn't turn brown on my way to finishing. Learn to love the color. You know what? It looks kind of cool from a distance if I stand back. And I have glasses on. I'm not going to complain anymore. Yeah, right. That's going to... It's a very expressionist piece. And I'm learning to love it as I stand here talking to you. And I've got 3 whole minutes left. And I don't think I'm going to need all of them. That was an uncalled for color combination over there. It's got to go. So that's kind of cool. And I'm not even lying. I kind of like it. I'm not sure why I like it. Maybe just because it makes me happier than it did before. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So the only thing left to do, in my opinion, is to go ahead and add the same colors at the top. And it could be a mistake. So I'm going to start here and squeeze very gently and hope I can keep a nice thin stream coming. And hope that fixes it. You know what? I can't believe I got away with that. That's so cool. Oh my goodness, I am a lucky, lucky, lucky woman. So if you like what I do, as irreverent as it is, and you want to continue to support me, I appreciate your comments. You can contribute through PayPal or Patreon, or Zelly if you use my email address, and you will be included in a monthly contest that I hold. This month's prizes are a choice of 2 paintings, or $160 toward the credit of any purchase, and a signed book, my book, called Because I Can, that you can find on the Amazon link below the video. If you're looking for a if you're looking for a Facebook group, I'm going to leave that right in there. If you're looking for a Facebook group for students, you can find one. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is that group. And if you're looking for one for fans and collectors, this is really different and really cool. And I'm really, really surprised. Let me take that out of there. All right, I love you guys. If you're looking for Pinterest or Instagram or Twitter links, they're underneath the video. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video. If you are looking for a question to be answered, just ask. If there's anything I can do for you at all, feel free to ask. I'll get back to you when I can. I'm kind of busy sometimes, but I do make time whenever possible to get back to you guys. If I need any white paint, I'm going to steal it for a second. I think I'm going to fix my strands at the top so they look like they go over the top. I'm not sure why that's important, but I told you guys I love you, and if I didn't tell you this time, I'll tell you another time, but I'll tell you right now. I do. I love you guys. You're awesome. You make me happy. Every day I read your comments. Thank you so much for being so generous of spirit, and thank you for your support. And if you give me a thumbs up, it's a really big help. It's definitely a contribution on its own to give me a thumbs up, and that and watching more of the videos, because my paycheck is involved with how long you watch a video for and if you watch the commercials. And I have been lacking. I am not keeping up with my competition, and I've been here a couple of years, so hopefully my inspiration keeps coming to keep you guys happy. I love you guys. I'm all done. It doesn't matter how weird the patterns are. It's abstract expressionist. This was Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I still have compulsive issues. Oh well. So, that's cool. I like it. I'm surprised that I like it, but I do. Alright, you guys take care. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Maybe I should turn that sideways. I have GAC 800 in all my paint, just in case you need to know. If I leave it thick like this, hopefully we don't get any bubbles since I didn't torch. I'll probably torch in a second when you guys are gone. Maybe I'll torch right now. Ha! I don't like bubbles. They leave craters. If anybody would like to purchase artwork, keep track of the hashtag at the end of the title on any given video. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill. I will see you guys. Look at the end screens for the contest, and also notice that there is a link to playlists. I have over 860 videos, and they are organized on my channel by topic and by hundreds. So I love you guys. I'll see you soon, hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now. Priscilla out.